Okay, I'm gonna give me a puppy too, because I'm so lonely. Hey,
No, don't.
come here.
You can't do that.
Come here.
Because if you keep doing that, then she's going to get used to that noise. And what if they use a different noise to train her?
That's why it's gonna remember me.
Jump on your lap.
Hey, come here.
Oh, she's coming.
Yeah, she'll sit right on your lap if you just like carry her.
I'm in love.
She's such a good dog.
I'm in love. Oh, I need me a puppy too now.
Most unique part of
Oh, come here. Oh, you're so good. You're so good. Sit.
Oh.
She like sits, but then she leaves.
Oh, adorable. Oh my god.
You're so weird. I know. You're so weird. Dogs don't sit like that. I don't know where.
You should name it Piglet.
I know, right? I was like, why does it lay down so funny?